Welcome to another Desmond Gaming video. Today is the first video where you will be seeing my first body part. Ooh, okay. Well, today we're going to be making some OP paper airplanes, and let's do this. So, the first one I call the Cool Glider. I know it's a cringy name. So, first, you're going to fold it in half. Try to get as perfect as you want, but don't worry if it's not perfect, it'll still go pretty far. Okay, so we're gonna open it. As you can see, it's kind of like a book. Flip it around, guys, and put a little part on the top. I'm gonna do this so y'all can see. And now it's like this. And by the way, I'm not copywriting, but this paper airplane was inspired by the YouTube Affordable Flights. It's not the plane because I made my own modifications, but it's sort of the plane, but not the exact same. This is the foldable flight. I customized it. This is the foldable flight. This plane's called, I believe, the Arrowhead. Yeah, this is the Arrowhead. And also, I'm not a big fan of doing this on my channel, but since they're really good, I'm gonna do it. Go subscribe to Foldable Flight. They are the best paper airplanes. Okay. And after you've done this, you should have little flaps here. Fold it. You're gonna fold it down like this. You should have this. And fold it up till it touches the top. Once it's touched the top, there we go. As you see, and then you're gonna flip it over. Gonna get to the center crease, and it's fine if there's a little sticking out here, because for me it is too. You know, it's not perfect. You gotta do this. And then, okay. So we're here, going a little fast. We're gonna open, and you see this crease? Fold to it. Yeah, fold it. There you go. You same on the other side. Fold to it. There you go. Okay, so we've got this. Now, this part is, not all people think it's tricky, but I think it is pretty tricky. So we're gonna pull it forward. You can see this part, this little flap is still here. So we're gonna have to push it down into that flap. Go ahead, flatten it. This will appear, just push it down on it. And here, this is where I started my customization. So this is basically what it makes you do in that tutorial. But I made mine a little more dartish. Maybe a little more. That's good. Other side, same thing. Match it up. And airplane number 1. This is kind of like the Arrowhead, but it is more a hybrid, and the Arrowhead's just a glider. So this one is a dart. It goes super fast, and when it slows down, it starts to glide. And for my friends, don't steal my ideas, because I won't know. Airplane 1, done. Moving on. Airplane 2. So, we're going to do the same thing as we did in the last one. Fold it in half. And we're saving. So, the first one we made was the second most OP. This one's, I don't know which one this is. But the last one I do in this video will be the most OP. So we're not doing the line in the back. Just go here. If you're a paper plane expert, this is like, I mean, if you're really anybody, this is probably the easiest part. Because it's so easy. You don't really do anything. Okay, so as you can see, mine's a little bit uneven. I'll even it out. Okay, it's not very even, but it's okay. So I'm gonna fold it down in the middle, fold it up. Oh, try to find it. Oh, by the way, this design I actually created. Actually, me and my friend Christian, he helped. And the last one I actually made all by myself. But me and my friend Christian made this one. So you can see. After we've got in here, which is like this, go down and up. We're gonna fold it in. And make sure you really, all of these creases, we're not going to be doing any reverse creases in this video. So make sure you make all of those creases really crease like that. If you don't know what a crease is, it's a fold line, like this. That's a crease. Okay? So we're here, and now we are going to here, and we're gonna leave a little bit of space. Oh, yeah, a little bit of space. How much space? Right about there. And we're gonna add little flaps. Okay, so this is plane number 2. It goes pretty far. It's probably the third most OP. Plane number 3. Okay, so turn sideways. This one is sorry. I'm trying to get perfection. Perfecto. Here we go. There we go. Okay, there we go. So here again. Fold, down, fold. Okay, so we're gonna do the same exact thing as last one, but here's where it gets kind of tricky. Because you have to have really strong hands, but I don't. But I'm still strong enough, but not really. So we're here. This one's a dot. And it goes, this is the most OP paper airplane. I'll show you. I'll show you. So, right here. That's how it should look. This is how it did look. This is how it should look. This part's really tricky. Okay, so we have this. Oh, we have this, and you have to be really strong. Just let a little piece out all the way down. The more down you go, the more intense it gets. most, which means the stronger you'll have to be. So if you want to go like real far down, you have to be really strong. Look, you could see my nails turning red. Oof. This is the hard plane, but when you've achieved it, God, mine looks really wonky. Wait, this is because this wing needs to be a little bit bigger. Mine looks like wonkier than Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. Okay, so it's a bit better. This is the, looking garbage or not, this is the most OP plane I have. Look at, I'll even show you. Critical damage, I'll be right back. Emotional damage. It's back. So, I think that's gonna end it off. And let's do a gallery. Coming in third place, the Prime Jet. Don't ask why I did that. The Prime Jet. Coming in second, the Cool Glider. And coming in first, the Desmond Gaming Dart. And they would all like to say goodbye. In this video, I showed you how to make 3 of the best paper airplanes I know how to make. Say bye to number 3. Bye. Say bye to number 2. Bye. Say bye to number 3. Bye. Well, I think that's gonna end it for this video. Goodbye, and see you in my next Desmond Gaming video.